It has been an eventful day for drivers around the region, but especially in the Northern Valley, as you heard from Courtney. Let's find out how the weather has moved and changed. Here's Nathan with your no-wait weather. Nathan?
Yeah, Mike, we are seeing some snowflakes starting to fall in the Fargo area. You can see on our Valley Skycam here in South Fargo. Looking at those interchange lights, you can see some of those flakes wafting past the light there, being blown by the breeze a little bit. But right now, mainly wet roadways here in the Fargo-Moorhead area, but that is not the case for those areas toward the north and the east and west as well. Here's some early snow reports. The latest reports we've gotten were from Edinburgh. That's at 7 3/4 inches, and Grand Forks did get a report from the Weather Service there that they picked up just under an inch, 0.7 inches of snowfall there in Grand Forks. But Portal picked up just right at a foot, and Michigan the next winter there at 7 inches. Of course, those are the latest reports that we have. We'll, of course, continue to gather those as you send in your photos and as the Weather Service, of course, compiles their list as well. But here's the picture from Edinburgh from Andrew. You can see that looks like a ruler sticking in the snow there, just under 8 inches. Thanks, Andrew, for sending in your snow photo. Here's what we got now. At 9 o'clock, the winter storm warning and some of the winter weather advisories expired, and those have been allowed to expire. Now we just have the winter weather advisory in our Minnesota neighborhoods. And let me tell you, the plow cams from Minnesota DOT show a lot of snow-covered roadways in this part of the state. So yes, still expecting slippery road conditions, almost dangerous road conditions in these purple counties here in our northern Minnesota neighborhoods. But that doesn't mean that our northeastern North Dakota neighborhoods aren't going to see slippery roads either, as there's still some snow-covered roadways. We'll take a look at the NDDOT cams in just a second. Right now, we've got about a 50-mile wide snow band moving just out of Fargo toward the Fosston area, Ada as well, right toward Bemidji as well. This is where we're seeing the last lingering snow showers here as this system kind of slowly wanders off toward the south and east. So that's why we're seeing only a few flurries right now in Fargo, perhaps some mixed precipitation there just south of town as well. But this is still moderate snowfall at this time, so still could pick up an inch or two of snowfall toward northern Beltrami County, down toward Fosston and south of Ada as well. Taking a closer look, you can see right near Mahnomen is where that heaviest band is. Bagley as well, Clearbrook, and Fosston's where that heaviest band of snowfall is right now. So here's our NDDOT cams just to show you that snow is indeed falling in a lot of spots. Leads there, a lot of snow on the roadway there. And Devil's Lake still seeing some snow there, but on the roadway at least, the snow has actually stopped in Devil's Lake, but now in Devil's Lake, it's cold. So any of the snowfall or rain, that could freeze over with those cold temperatures. And where we're seeing those reduced visibilities, Gwinner, Fargo, Detroit Lakes is where we're seeing some of those snow showers, including Bemidji as well. So still seeing some reduced visibilities with these snow showers. And as we're saying, Devil's Lake is cold, 20s. 23 in Langdon, Cavalier, 24 in Devil's Lake. And no, there was moisture on that roadway all day. And so with those temperatures in the low 20s, could see a flash freeze in the Devil's Lake Basin. We're right near that freezing mark at Hector International, 33 degrees right now in Fargo, 27 in Grand Forks. So colder air will push in overnight, and that will again be a concern for those icy spots developing, especially for that morning commute tomorrow when it will be the coldest. So give yourself some extra moments to get to work tomorrow and just be on the lookout and have both hands on that wheel in case you encounter any slippery spots. So we can see those snow showers gradually pushing off toward the south and east and ending in the next 2 or 3 hours. So I expect by about 3 o'clock things will be done. And then by 7:30 a.m., a northerly breeze, temperatures in the teens and low 20s. So definitely cold enough to freeze any moisture that's on the ground or those roadways or sidewalks. So need to take caution heading out the door for your Thursday. And the northerly wind will keep us a bit on the cool side for Thursday, but I do expect decreasing clouds as we go through the day Thursday. And I expect even some sunshine to join us by the time the sun sets. High pressure remains for Friday. We're back in the mid-30s and, Mike, near 40 both Saturday and Sunday. Plenty of sun, which should be enough to melt any of the snow that we've picked up today.
Best news you've passed along all day.
Hey, I try to make it balanced.
All right, thanks so much. What would you do